Welcome everyone to our 360-degree virtual tour of Whitefish Campground. This is in the lower Chatanika River State Recreation Area, right off the old Elliott Highway. This is a small first-come, first-served campground. As we enter, the fee station is straight ahead and it conveniently accepts credit cards. We'll first head left where sites 1, 2, and 3 are located. Site 1 is going to be another immediate left. We'll go back there and do a little loop around it. It is somewhat close to the highway here, so keep that in mind, but the site is quite nice. It's a big place. There's nothing up ahead there, so we're going to turn around here and proceed to sites 2 and 3. Where we turned left to get to site 1, you would turn right to get to 2 and 3. So we continue forward. We approach a restroom on the left. And there's also trash and recycle here as well. And now we come to site 2 on the left. And next to that, against the river, is site 3. The rest of the sites are back where we came in, making a right-hand turn instead. So we'll backtrack a little bit. Here's a little bit of confusion. If you look at the website for this campground, which we'll link down below, at one point it states they have 25 campsites. But we only found 8, so perhaps there are more available on the river, or maybe we just missed them. Okay, so now back at the pay station, if you make a right turn here as you enter, it's a left for us, you'll find the remaining sites. Now this road is plenty wide enough for any RV, but it does have quite a few potholes. It's not very long though, so just take it slow. Did I mention there's potholes? Alright, to our left, as best as we can tell, is campsite 4. It's not marked with a number, but this has to be 4. And then, next to that, it appears to be day use area or public access. We'll back out and continue on to the other spots. it looks like there's a hand-pumped well over here on the left. Don't know about the water quality. There's a sign there, but not sure what it says. Now, coming up on the right is a double pull-through site. So if you've got a friend, this would be a great place to hang out. These are sites 5 and 6, and there's a restroom on the right as well as trash and recycle. Looks like they both have fire rings and picnic tables. Then, continuing, we have site 7 to the right. It's pretty narrow there and could be a challenge to back into. And then site 8 on the right. That's actually all of the sites that we saw in this campground, but we'll continue on to the boat launch. If you know where the remaining 17 sites are, please leave us a comment down below. The boat launch is large. There's a restroom here and ample room for parking. And there's a separate fee station here at the boat launch as well. $15 per boat per day as of August 2024. And of course, a trash receptacle. Well, that wraps it up for this campground tour. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching.